The story of my birth, as my mom recounted, began not under the starry glare of a hospital room, but beneath the soft yellow glow of a kerosene lamp on our family porch in Beaumont's Liberia. It was a Sunday, she would say, with the air thick with the scent of faripini and the murmur of evening prayers. My first few cries, I'm told, mingled with the call to prayer, creating a strange symphony that marked the beginning of my life. That porch light became my guiding star, illuminating a path that would lead me far away from home. As I grew, the rough-hewn wood of the porch beneath my hands gave way to the smooth pages of books. My formal education began at YMCA Elementary School in Kakata, Maigibi County. I remember holding my Auntie Miata's hand as we walked the dusty road from Bani community to school, with the weight of my backpack symbolizing a promise for my future. With each step I took in my education, I found myself moving further away from tradition. The vibrant African print skirts of my childhood were gradually replaced by the crisp uniform of the Lutheran school system in Liberia after I received a scholarship from Daughters of the King. With every new lesson and every fresh idea, I felt myself changing. Questions about my family Islamic faith began to emerge, quiet at first, but growing louder with each passing year. In 2019, my life took a sharp turn. I left the familiar red dust for the medical lawns and the towering buildings of America. I traded my brightly colored African print skirts, dresses, and uniform for jeans and sweatshirts. The move was for school, for a chance at a better future after receiving another Ford-funded scholarship from the Lutheran Church in Liberia and ERCA. In America, although I was enjoying the benefits of the church and God's goodness, a part of me still hoped to return to Islam one day to honor my parents and my roots. In this land of opportunity, I discovered a different kind of belonging. America offered me more than just academic knowledge. It presented me a spiritual crossroad. The whisper and questions grew louder and the pull became undeniable. At Wittenberg University in Springfield, Ohio, I found a community through Weaver Chapel and the Good Shepherd Lutheran Church, as well as a faith that resonated deeply with my soul and values. In 2021, during COVID pandemic, I was overwhelmed by depression and hopelessness. So I decided to return to Liberia for Christmas, where the conflict that had been brewing for years finally reached its climax. At a youth camp gathering in my hometown, I did not find the comfort I expected from the old ways, but instead discovered a new source of strength. Jesus restored my troubled soul and gave me hope. I returned to America with a renewed spirit and a deep desire to build a personal relationship with God. I wanted to know God for myself, not because of my parents, the Lutheran Church, or other people's expectations of me, but because I yearned for Him to fill me and guide me on the right path in life. My decision to convert to Christianity wasn't made lightly. It meant facing disapproval and severing ties that had been holding me behind for so long. Yet, the torchlight of my childhood memories guided me still. It led me to a different kind of light, a different kind of faith. My conversion was not a rejection of my past, but rather a step towards my future, a testament to the transformative power of education and faith. Today, I am the first female in my family to obtain a bachelor's degree and to pursue a master's degree. My journey from a post in Liberia to a new life in America has been one of constant growth and change. But the soft glow of that kerosene lamp that flickers in my memory, it reminds me of where I come from, and it continues to be my beacon for a better future. Thank you so much.